antics and mischief things used to do. एंड वो जब अपनी माँ की रसोई से माखन चुराते थे और पकड़े जाने पर उनका एक ही जवाब होता था, मैया मोरी मैं ना ही माखन खायो. So with all these stories, we will be starting this program today, and we have very exciting things lined up for you, and very surprising act by our one of our sirs. So you'll really love it. But before that, I would request that during the course of program, please keep your mics on mute. If you want, you can keep your cameras on, but then because we are over 100 of us here, so it might, interfere with the network issues. So keep your cameras and your mic on mute. And now, before I call on Robert Sir, I would like to remind you that Lord Krishna, जब वो बांसुरी बजाते थे, तब सब उनकी बांसुरी की मधुर आवाज में मंत्रमुग्ध हो जाते थे. So the same thing is going to happen today, and our very own Robert Sir is going to sing in his melodious voice a beautiful song. और अब वक्त है मंत्रमुग्ध होने का. So Robert Sir, it's over to you.
Thank you so much.
You're
Good afternoon,
welcome.
everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good
Okay,
afternoon.
everyone, you don't have to greet me. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon,
Okay,
sir.
everyone, all downstairs, please keep yourselves on mute.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Please keep yourselves on mute. Everyone, good afternoon. Okay, so please keep yourselves on mute so that you all can hear me properly and not have any disturbance. Okay. So, all right. So I'm going to post lyrics of a song. So we have quite a few items lined up. All right. So there is going to be a song. There's going to be a dance, and there's also going to be a surprise act. That surprise act is not me. Okay. Ma'am mentioned sir, but it's not going to be me. So we have a surprise act also in store. So I'm going to post the lyrics of a song really quickly. Okay. If you all remember, I had given you all a link. I hope you all have listened to this. So it will be very easy for you all to understand. So I'm going to post the lyrics. Let me see if the entire lyrics are coming. Okay, so I've posted something in the chat section. You all can all see. So the song's name is Govinda Ala Re Ala. I'm sure parents, I'm sure if you all are listening to me, this is a song most of you all will know. All right. So yeah, kids, I think we can get started. All right. So we just have five minutes per person. So let's do this really quickly. Okay. So all right, let's start. Lyrics are there in the chat section. Please keep yourselves on mute and feel free to join in. All right, let's go. And yep, I think we're ready to begin. Cool. Let's start. अरे एक दो और तीन चार संग पाँच है सात है माना. अरे एक दो और तीन चार संग पाँच है सात है माना. गोविंदा आला रे आला जरा संभाल के गाना. गोविंदा आला रे आला जरा संभाल के गाना. Oh, I makan ke cholo isena. Oh, I makan ke cholo बड़ी नटखट है फौज तेरी नहीं बसने का वो नहीं बसने का कोई भी ताला ताला उनका आला रे आला जरा संभाल से आला उनका आला रे आला जरा संभाल से आला अरे एक दो और तीन चार संग पाँच है सात है वाला अरे एक दो और तीन चार पाँच है सात है रास्ता है सात आला रे आला जरा संभाल से आला गोविंदा आला रे आला जरा संभाल से आला all right. Hope you guys enjoyed the song. Hope you guys also joined in singing. So great. We're gonna have our next act really quickly now. Over to Zilman. Okay.
Thank you, Robert sir. That was really very nice. And that has set the mood for the celebration. And you all know that Lord Krishna's birth was for a purpose on this earth, and that was to free the earth from the evil. And he always emphasized the truth and justice. So we all must remember that we should take part in truth and we should always follow the justice path, right? And also, I remember one of his saying, he used to say, मनुष्य कितना ही गोरा या कितना ही सुंदर क्यों ना हो, उसकी परछाई हमेशा काली होती है. Basically, what he wanted to say was that, you know, you are confident, that's good, but being overconfident, that's not good. So now, in the next act, our very own Zil ma'am is going to perform a beautiful dance, and I want all of you to match her steps confidently. All right, for this act, you can keep your cameras on because we are also recording, and I'm keeping my fingers crossed that we don't have any net issues. So over to you, Zil ma'am.
Thank you so much, Bhavna ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, teachers and all the students here. Wishing you all a very happy Janmashtami on behalf of the entire TIS team. So kids, I'm sure you are excited to dance. Let me just tell you, before we start with this dance, on Janmashtami, there is always one more name taken with Lord Krishna. That is Radha. Yes. How can we forget Radha? So there was a very, very great love story about Lord Krishna and Radha. So today we are going to dance on the songs of Radha and Krishna. Now, before you guys join me for this dance, I'm going to perform one very small act for you all, which is Ras Leela. That is an authentic folk on Radha and Krishna. So before you guys join me, just watch me for this song and then you're going to join me for the next song. Thank you so much. आज प्रीतम रे प्रीतम रे जाशे तू जाके आज प्रीतम रे प्रीतम रे जाशे तू जो राधा रे श्याम बड़ी जाशे तू जो राधा रे श्याम बड़ी जाशे जमुना कटे रसर में कनूरा रे राधा जुबे अपूगा में जुबे मेरे खाया जमुना कटे रसर में कनूरा रे राधा जुबे अपूगा में जुबे मेरे खाया. Okay kids, so this song was based on the ras that Krishna and Radha used to play at the Jamna river. Okay, so now I'm going to start with a song where you all have to join me because it's today is Lord Krishna's birthday. So let's celebrate by dancing on this song. I would also love if the parents are watching to join us for this. Thank you so much. And all the teachers also.
चली 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 गोकुल की राधा चली करके श्रृंगार में, जमुना के तट पे करे कृष्णा इंतजार में। घुंघटा उठा के मिला ले तू अखियां, कहने दे कहती है जो तेरी सखियां। अरे घुंघटा उठा के मिला ले तू अखियां, कहने दे कहती है जो तेरी सखियां। ये प्रीत है पुरानी, मैं राजा और तू रानी, हाँ तेरे मेरे जन्मों के वादे। राधे 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 ओ राधे राधे राधे, तेरे बिना कृष्णा तो लगे आधे आधे। राधे 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 ओ राधे राधे राधे, तेरे बिना कृष्णा तो लगे आधे आधे। राधे 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 ओ राधे राधे राधे, तेरे बिना कृष्णा तो लगे आधे आधे।
Thank you so much, everyone. I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you so much once again. Over to Bhavana ma'am.
Thank you, Zil ma'am. Everybody, let's do clap for Zil ma'am. That song really got us.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. And to Lord Krishna. Now, you all know that Lord Krishna fought with demons and he even killed the cruel king Kansa. Now, he was a very young lad when he did all this. Now, you might think, how is it possible? Because he trusted himself. And that's what he keeps telling us. In one of his lines, he says, व्यक्ति जो चाहे बन सकता है, लेकिन उसके लिए उसको मन में विश्वास होना बहुत जरूरी है. So if you think you can do it, you can do it. So with that note, now comes the turn of the surprise act. If you can guess the name of the sir who's going to do that act, type in the chat box. Quick, quick, quick. We just have 5 minutes. Quick, type the name of the sir you think is going to present the surprise act. Any guesses? Type. Robert sir already did the song. Okay, all right. Yes. Grade 4. Okay, I did give you the hint. All right. So yes, now I welcome our Anup sir to do the special act which all of us have been waiting for. And all the best.
Sir, you're on mute.
Thank you. So today we are going to perform live the ND from National Park, and it's completely green zone, so that's why we are not wearing masks, and we are just celebrating this ND in the green zone. So we'll start in soon. Everyone, look at this side, okay? Back hoto, back camera hoto, bag na tu. Asal the back. Okay, so everyone look at how they see the ND live from National Park.
Okay. This is Dahi Handi.
Yes, this is the live Dahi Handi from National Park. I request all of you to please mute yourselves, children. Please mute yourselves, children.
I can't hear you, sir. And I can't see you.
Please keep your mics on mute, children. This is a live performance. There's no sound in this thing. Just enjoy the performance.
Fantastic.
Amazing.
That was really awesome, sir. Thank you, Anup sir. And children, I want to tell you that Anup sir has been practicing along with his friends for the past few days in the national park just to give you this live performance so you can, sitting in your homes, comfort in your home, you can watch it. Anup sir, would you like to elaborate on this thing?
And I hope you like this surprise from my side. I always do something new, so it's just for you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Anup sir. Thank you so much. One more round of applause for Anup sir, Zil ma'am, and Robin sir. And now I would request our principal ma'am to please say a few words.
Thank you, everyone. First of all, I hope everyone enjoyed the performance very much. Everyone has worked very hard for this, and all your teachers have been working, your activity teachers, sirs, everyone. And please remember to stay home and stay safe, which is why we planned everything virtually online for you all. And we are really worried more about your safety than anything else. So enjoy today and happy Janmashtami to everyone, one and all, to parents, children, all of, and the staff. Thank you.
Thank you, Joy ma'am. Thank you, teachers, and thank you, children. Once again, a very happy Janmashtami to all of you. Bye-bye. Stay safe.
Bye. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.